Welcome to a review on the EKSA E900. Oh, sorry, wrong video. If you want to check out the E900, check out this in the top right-hand corner. But no, we're reviewing the EKSA Star Engine Pro gaming headset. As you can see right here, comes in this very unique, as they like to call it, sci-fi design form factor. We're going to be hopping into all that, the features, the things that the box says that I can't orientate properly to the camera. But as you can see, it's pretty dang nice. So with that being said, let's hop right into it. Let's start with the unboxing. You've already seen the outside of it, so inside is where we go next. Here is the Star Engine Pro packaging, which is actually pretty nice. First of all, you get this weird, interesting thing at the top that covers the headset, but inside you actually get it in a bag. We'll be getting into that in a second. And then here you have some cables and things inside this box that covers the headset handle and some instructions. First of all, you get a little microphone with a nice little wind cover on it that I can't seem to take off to show you. This is their EKSA's ENC noise canceling microphone, so that basically you don't have lots of weird sounds going on in the background. In theory, we could probably do a quick test for that and let you know how that sounds, but basically it's a detachable microphone, which is always a dub in the headset world at this price range, which will be revealed at the end of the video if you want to stick around. But first, we're going to go through the features. I think this headset is definitely very well priced, so hopefully you stick around to see what that is. Again, you have a USB Type-C input to a headphone jack, which likely the USB Type-C plugs into the headset, which it looks like it does, and then you can have 3.5mm if you want to plug that into your phone or your computer. This looks like another cable that is USB, so you can plug that into your computer, which I believe turns on the RGB lighting, which supposedly is their sci-fi design, so we'll have to test that out here too. And then there is also a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, so you can plug that into the headset and then plug that into something like a Mac, which would probably work a little better than a 3.5mm jack, but you basically have everything you need to plug into everything. With that being said though, honestly, first impressions wise, it is something, especially if you're looking at the sides here. This looks like a whole little metal cage. The plastic on it actually feels very fine though. Like, something about this design right here, it's kind of sturdy. Like, you can tell it's made out of plastic, but it's not like cheap feeling at the same time. It's just very unique. It's big. It almost looks like studio headphones, but then with the bright neon green, it's very colorful to add to that. It doesn't push on my glasses too much, which is nice. So that's definitely an advantage for my glasses gamers out there, or if you want to use these for editing, that works too. Right here is the jack where your microphone will plug in. So this is basically your bendable, detachable microphone. So it is definitely a headset indeed. Now we're going to take that off so I can show you that there's also the USB Type-C port where your cables can plug into if you want the USB Type-C and or the 3.5mm. I thought there was just a power button on here, but actually the button that is a power button is a 7.1 surround sound, so you can turn it on and off. That's what one button does, as well as a toggleable mute switch. You can click that. Basically, you can just click this one in and out, and then there is also a volume knob, which is nice. That's one good thing EKSA always does, is they manage to contain all these features in every single one of their headsets. Here is the headset with the RGB on, and that is pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. It's like flickering on and off almost, as you can kind of see. Let's give it a second. Yep, it goes on and on. So there's the EKSA logo in the middle of a triangle, kind of looking like the Illuminati over here. It's on both sides. If I put it on, it's definitely a big headset, I'll say that too. But it doesn't look horrible. It looks like you're locked in for sure. And then with the lighting on the sides with like the almost nuclear reactor looking type stuff. Oh wow, these are loud. So also some other features I'll mention while I'm listening here is, and I can't even hear myself talking really, but it has a 7.1 surround sound base, which isn't quite the same thing as 7.1, but it's pretty close, I believe. There's no actual control to turn it on and off, so I assume it's just a built-in. Then there is the ENC within the microphone. I mean, 7.1 surround sound definitely makes it sound a little better, but I think you also have to sacrifice, again, with virtual 7.1 surround sound, a little bit of sound quality. Now I'm going to be listening to some music, so let's see how that works out. Okay, so they definitely seem to be pretty bass-heavy headphones, which isn't bad. But you know, for standard gaming. But if you want to have some more of those highs, it's whatever. I think you sacrifice some of that with the 7.1 surround sound. Unfortunately, on EKSA's website, they also do not tell you what the drivers are. They just say they're like their special drivers. I'd assume they're probably in the 40 to 50 range, which isn't bad. But now for the price reveal, and then we'll do the mic test right after this. It is a $70 headset, which is not bad, honestly, for the price. It'll be linked in the description if you like that. But with that being said, let's get into the mic test, and you can make your final opinions. All right, here is what the microphone sounds like. I can hear myself a little bit. Let me actually get a little live replay. It sounds okay, honestly. If I move it closer, it's a little better. You can't hear myself breathing too much, which is nice. Now I'm gonna actually do the test mute. Turn it back on. So if that sounds good, hopefully you enjoy it. But if not, there's plenty of other headsets you can check out on this channel. With that being said, though, this has been Techtrovert. I'm out, guys. Hope you enjoyed the $70 headset, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.